Are you a busy Spanish teacher looking for some no prep Dia de los Muertos resources? Then I got you covered. Actually, Allison Perryman from the Cultural Classroom has you covered. Now, her and I have collaborated several times for the Tech for World English Teachers community and the World English Teacher Tech Academy. And we've done several trainings about cultural web quests. You can find those inside of the World English Teacher Tech Academy. We've done some trainings about integrating culture to web quests. She included 9 cultural web quest bundles, and then we have 3, so it's 3 trainings total. So she just added some more amazing resources, including Dia de los Muertos. So I wanted to share that with you guys. So she's got these Pear deck presentations that are completely interactive and no prep that you can use with your students. For instance, this one about Celebrando el Día de los Muertos, and it's asking the students questions. And the thing about Pear deck, it's great because the students, it's very interactive. They get to, you ask a question in the target language preferably, and they all respond on their devices. So it's very nice, very interactive. For instance, ¿qué es el Día de los Muertos? And she goes into what it is. Then she asks another question. ¿Es feliz o triste el Día de los Muertos? And the students are gonna kind of, do what they think. So again, this presentation is it's here inside of the World Language Teacher Tech Academy. Now, here's the good news. This course is 3 step-by-step courses, workshops that are pre-recorded. We did them live, but they're recorded. And you can see the length of them. So you're getting a lot of value. 3 workshops plus the cultural bundle. She's got all of this right here. There's 9 of these interactive web quests, and she just added and gave me this morning actually. So she gave me access to the cultural Pear deck Google Drive, which includes the Dia de los Muertos presentation, Pear deck presentation I just showed you. Cinco de Mayo versus Independence Day, Dia de la Raza, Edipo Puerto Rico, and you'll have access to all of this, you guys. Now, this course and these resources go for $97, but for a limited time, the first 100 people are going to get it for only $67, so you're saving $30. Now, keep in mind, there are tens of thousands of members inside of the World English the Tech for World English Teachers email community, and the group and the page and all the other groups. So keep that in mind. There's probably about 50,000 members altogether. And only the first 100 are going to get the special discount. So keep that in mind if you're interested. Make sure that you're one of the first ones. So you can get the discount by clicking this link. I'll put this link in the description so you can access to it. If you're on my email community, you will get sent all this information. Or when you go to enroll, if for some reason you don't get the link, when you go to check out, just go right here at coupon code and put the coupon code, put it in all caps, Cultura, okay, and then hit apply, and it will give you the special discount of $67. All right, so those are the 2 ways that you can get this. Now, if you're a member of the World English Teacher Tech Academy All Access Club, then there's nothing you need to do because this is already included in your membership. All right. Now, if you're not a member of our my email community, then go to the Tech for World English Teachers blog. There you'll find resources. I actually have more Day of the Dead resources there, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So if you are not a member, go and check out my free workshop. Get the free workshop, and you'll be added to the email community. And I send out resources and free trainings. I notify you of free trainings and things like that. So make sure you get on that, all right? Now, you'll also get my awesome workshop about classroom management. If you don't know my classroom management horror story, I was a high school teacher for 8 years, high school Spanish. And after 8 years, I wanted a break, so I went to teach online for 2 years. Then I was kind of like missing the classroom. I should have waited till the next year to come back to the classroom, but I didn't. I was kind of like, no, I'm done. I want to come back. So I came back into the classroom to a middle school mid-year, which I didn't know at the time was the lowest performing middle school in my area. And I also didn't know that I was the 9th teacher hired, because all 8 prior teachers had quit because of how bad it was. And so when I came into the picture, the students were taking bets. They were like, oh, how long are you going to be here? And I was like, well, I'm going to be here with you guys till the end of the year. And they're like, yeah, that's what they all said. We ran them off. We're going to run you off too. And let me tell you, they sure did try. So, I mean, they would curse me out, throw things at me. I mean, it was horrible. I would cry on my way to and from work. So anyway, I share my whole story there and how I was able to overcome it. And within 2 days, I was able to overcome it. And within 3 weeks, they were writing me little notes telling me how much they love me, how I'm such an awesome teacher. And we had this amazing, close-knit classroom community. So if you're struggling with classroom management, there is hope. Go and watch my free workshop. And if you know someone who is struggling, let them know about the free workshop so they can get some help. There is hope. Also, if you're a world language teacher and you're not a member of our free Facebook group, come on over to the Tech for World Language Teachers Facebook group. I'm in there every day. We, you can ask a question. If I don't see it, someone else will. We share resources. We help each other with tips. So make sure you come on over and invite your world language teacher friends to come on over. All right, and ask questions and get the support you need. Now, don't forget to go check out the awesome resources that Allison has available for us. When you purchase at the discounted rate, I'm going to let you know about the other resources in a minute. But when you purchase, you guys, not only will you help support Allison's small business, but you'll also help to support the Tech for World Language Teachers community and the World Language Teacher Tech Academy, which is my small business. As you know, I try to do free workshops and provide as many valuable resources as possible. So it will help us to continue to do that and bring those things to you guys. All right, so one more thing. If you're also wanting more additional Día de Los Muertos resources, then go to my blog. Check out the Tech for World Language Teachers blog, because there's a ton of resources there. I just actually updated this again. So yeah, go check out. There's so many things, you guys. There's like a ton of free resources, videos, Kahoots, you name it, GimKit challenges, everything's there. So go check out I'll put this link also in the video description. And if you're in my email community, I will send you all of this. And this is what I'm talking about. I send out a bunch of free stuff and lots of useful resources, but you've got to get on the email community if you want them. And you can do that by going to go view the free workshop. All right. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Go to the Tech for World Language Teachers Facebook group. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Bye.